What is up, my friends? Welcome once again to the video. I've been waiting to open this since Friday. I've been waiting 3 days now. It's Monday today. I've been waiting 3 days to open my baby up. The reason why I didn't open this was because it was gonna rain on Friday and it was windy. Right now it's supposed to be raining again, but I am under my porch right now. That's the reason why my truck's behind me. But let's do this unboxing, guys. Let's open this Karma Hero 6 Black. Like I said, this was a very special gift for me. I want to give a big shout out to the person that bought me this. Thank you so much. It really means a lot, and I'm very thankful that you did this for me. I cannot believe it. Shout out to you, girl. You know who you are. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. Ta-da! All right. Before I get to the unboxing, guys, this is what you get in the box. You get your Hero 6 Black camera. Or it depends if you got the 5. I don't know what you got, but I got the 6. You get your Karma drone, Karma controller, you get your Karma grip, you get your Karma stabilizer harness for Hero 6 or Hero 5 Black, whichever one you got. Again, your propellers, you get your Karma battery, Karma charger, and the Karma case, which is really cool because I'm pretty sure this right here, just the case itself, pretty sure it's like $100 around there. In the back is just a little bit of information. Easy to fly, ultra compact, more than a drone, and see what your drone sees. Oh yeah, look at this nice GoPro Karma right here, letters in the bag. I'm so freaking excited. Whoa. All right, I'm gonna start out with the small parts first, and then I'll go to the big parts. All right, first I'm gonna start off with the big Karma charger, GoPro, standard little wall charger, and this is for your, I believe that's for the battery and the control. Put this to the side right there. Nice. Look at this nice little case, guys, you get with it. Look at this little nice little cushion right here. They pack it pretty well, in my opinion. Just a standard wall plug. Sorry, my camera's focusing in the back instead of in the front, but I'll show you pretty good right here. Next, I'm gonna go to the, I guess this will be a little satchel. Let me see what it has inside. I don't even know. Oh, okay. It has your case for the camera, for the GoPro. You see that right there? Little case, little power sign, all that right there, and then you get your little attachments for the GoPro. Okay, all right, cool. Oh, nice. It's nice and heavy. I didn't think it was this heavy. You get your nice little Karma controller. See GoPro right in the front. Nice. Let me open this up. Whoa, it feels very nice, like gripey right here. Very nice, very nice. This is actually a touchscreen. I had no idea. When I saw a review, I was like, oh my god, this is actually touch. And you have your little speaker right here. Little power in the middle, start, stop. Little landing button. Down here you got your little USB connector right there in the bottom. And up top, you got your, to move it to the left or the right. Nice, guys, very nice. See, it started to rain now. Good thing I'm under the porch. All right, now the Karma grip. This is the game changer right here. See, it powers up. Let's say your camera runs out of battery, this will charge your camera unless as long as it's charged. Yeah, your little USB connector in the bottom, and then your power, your modes right here, your power. Nothing in there. Pretty nice and heavy. I like it. Next, your Karma drone. Whoa, guys, the design they do to this, the detail they have on this, it's so amazing. Something just opened right off the box. I guess it unclipped from down here. Yeah, there you go. Check that out, guys. Wow, man. The detail they put into it, it's so freaking amazing. Unbelievable. Under the drone, you get just your Karma little instructions, I believe. Ready to take off, and you know, good stuff. You gotta read this first. I'm not a beginner at this. I have a DJI 3, so that's the reason why I'm not gonna go through all of these. I kind of know how to install it and everything already. Oh, and this side you got more little stickers. Let me see what's over here. You got more. This you got more manuals. On this side you got your little GoPro stickers, manuals right there, manuals too. What is this? Okay, the app, how to get the app. You break it, we'll replace it. Nice. Under here it's just your propellers. See right there. I believe you get extras if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I heard you get extras, like 2 extra or something like that. This right here, little metal thingy, guys, is just a tool in case you're having a hard time to put it or put it on or put it off. That's the little tool you use, and I think you get 2 extra propellers. Just 4 plus 2 make it 6. All right, put this to the side. Let's do a little comparison. I do have my, like I was saying, I'm not a beginner at this, guys. I do have the DJI, the Phantom 3. So I'm not a beginner at this. I already know how to fly these. Let's do a little comparison. I have it right here. Look at the difference. Very different. This is like more bulky, more, you know, beginner stuff. This right here is like more like you know, it feels heavy. It feels like, you know, very like, I don't know how to explain it, but it feels like more durable. It feels more durable because this one feels like more plasticky. Anyways, back to the Karma drone. You got your these little things, you just remove them. All you do is take it off and you put your little propellers. It'll tell you right here, left, right. It'll give you letters. I know under here you have your little stand. All you gotta do is just pop it out like this, like so, like that, and then do the same thing for the other side. And that thing just fell off. Remove the little cap because they're just falling off. Just put them on the side. Under here, guys, you got your battery right there. I believe you just pull it out like so, it'll come out. And I believe just these, you just go like to pull them off. 1, 2, and then 3 and 4, just like that. Very easy to very easy to like set up, guys. This is like no brainer. Anybody can fly this. They're very easy to fly. It's not hard at all. And in here you got the little stabilizer in the front right there with the GoPro camera 6. But the way I unlock it has a little locking sign right there. You guys can see it. Little lock, unlock, and you just like twist it to the left and you pull it out, just like so. You get your Karma grip. All you gotta do is put it in here, lock it, and then now you have your own little, you know, this is gonna be awesome. This is gonna be awesome when I charge. I know right now it doesn't have batteries, so I'm not gonna show it to you guys, but this is gonna be so awesome to use that this is gonna replace this camera that I'm using right now. This is gonna be the different, I'm gonna totally use this camera for everything now, for vlogs and everything. That's the reason why I think it's gonna be a game changer to my channel. So there's my unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. Like I said, I'm so freaking excited to go and try this out. I might fly today. I'm not too sure. Like I said, it's gonna rain and it's kind of windy right now. But I cannot wait to try all this out, guys. It's gonna be so freaking amazing. I can't wait to use the Karma grip. I'm so freaking excited. Like I said, this would probably be a game changer to my channel. This is gonna be so freaking awesome just to try it out. I cannot wait to try all this stuff out. It's gonna be so amazing. Again, I want to give one last shout out to the person that bought me this. Thank you so much. I cannot believe it, guys. I still can't believe it. I had this in my hand. I never thought I would have it in my hand. I never thought I would actually get to own a Karma drone. It's so I have no words to say. Thank you so much. Let me charge these babies up. Let me see if I try them out today, tomorrow, I don't know when, but I will definitely post videos of this from now on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, you guys have a nice day. Peace.